Now, let me add something here on your notepad. Okay? So, basically, when you type in information here, okay, kung pag mag-type tayo ng pangalan natin dito, okay, and gagamitin natin ulit yung form, so, oftentimes, ang ginagawa natin, i-delete natin, no? I-delete natin ng ganyan. Okay? I-delete natin. Pero, basically, meron po yung tag na pwede natin gamitin. Okay? So, ano po yung tag na ito? Ito po yung tinatawag na reset tag. Okay? Reset button. Sa input din siya, under input din siya, and that is basically our input type reset. So, paano po natin siya pwedeng gawin? So, here po, let me show you my screen. Kita po ba yung screen ko? Yung dalawa, notepad at saka browser. Okay po, kita po ha. Sige po. So, dito makikita nyo, meron tayong submit button lang. Lagyan natin ng ano to. Okay? Dito po, lagyan natin ng katabi niya. Ayan. Let's just copy this input. Let's have it in capital letter. Input, type, equal sign, open and close quotation. Let's type in reset. Okay? And the value, open and close quotation, reset as well. And then close angle bracket. Do not forget to save your work. Okay? So here is another input type wherein we can use here on our browser. So when we refresh our browser here, you will see that you now have your reset button here. So when we accomplish the form and we would like to delete the content of the form, all you have to do is to click on the reset button. After that, after the input text, okay, yan. So this is what we do last time. So we follow this particular content for our notepad, which we see on our browser. Now let's continue our discussion on the select element. In the select element, this is actually giving you more options or multiple options, and this is another way of writing your drop down menu. Okay, 'di ba sa mga forms natin may nakikita kayong mga menu doon na dina-drop down lang, or options na dina-drop down lang. Tama po? Nakakita na po ba kayo noon? So ito po yung ating code na gagamitin. So we have the select name, and then we have the option. Okay? Select name and then the option. So, how do we do that po? Paano po ba natin siya gagamitin? So, let's go back to our notepad. Here. Okay, sa ilalim po ng last name natin, ilagay natin yung select option. So, medyo mahaba po ito. So, please follow me. Sasabihin ko po lahat ng ita-type natin. So, for the tag of the select option, of course, we are going to start with the open tag, open angle bracket, type in select. Then, let's type in the name, equal sign. For example, we are going to type in breakfast dish. Okay? Good. We're going to type in the breakfast dish rather. Okay? And then end tag natin ito. And then let's type in here options, the options. So remember yung ating tags kanina sa ilalim ng select, ng open tag for select, we have the option tags. Okay? So inano ko lang, click ko lang yung tab key sa keyboard para makita ninyo kagad. So, yan. So, open tag tayo ng option. Okay? We have the open tag for option. And then we have here the value, equal sign, open and close quotation. Right? For example, the value egg. Okay? Okay po tayo? Yan po yung value na nilagay natin. And then close bracket natin ito. Ilagay natin dito yung egg. And then let's type in the close tag for the option. Okay? Let's have another one. Value equal sign. Then we have the, for example, pandesal. Ayan. Okay? And then let's type in the text here, pandesal. And then do not forget to type in the option for the close tag. And then let's have a last option here para makapag-move on tayo. Value. For example, let's have cereal. Okay? Ayan. Sana po kayo ay nakapag-breakfast, no? Before coming here to our class. So we have the cereal, and then do not forget the close tag for the option as well. Okay? Now, it is important when you start select tag, okay? Maglalagay po tayo dito ng end tag for select. Okay po? Maliwanag po ba yon? So, let's save this work. And then refresh our browser. And you will see here our options. Yan. Kita nyo po? Nag-drop down po sa pandesal, cereal, or egg. Okay? Now, we notice that our select input here or our drop-down menu here are side by side with our buttons, reset and submit button. So, what we are going to do is to put a line break there so that it will be separated there. Okay? Are you good? Can you give me a thumbs up po? Okay. Sige po. In addition to that, pwede naman po natin yan lagyan ng label. So, bago po yung mismong select tag, yan, lagyan po natin ng space. Lagyan po natin ng in boldface po natin. Yan. Gagamit tayo ng boldface tag. So, lalagay po natin yung word na breakfast, dish, and then end tag po natin ng boldface. And, lagyan natin ng line break. Save po natin. Refresh. So, you will see that the drop-down menu here have its label na po. Okay? Clear po ba tayo? Ayan po. Now, we can add here, if we would like to have our option bar here, yung hindi na kagad makikita yung choices, pwede po natin lagyan dito. Yan, sa unang-una is, again, option. We have the value. Open and close tag. Lagyan lang natin ng hyphen. Close bracket, hyphen again. And end tag. Save it. And then refresh. You will notice here, yan po ang lalabas. Ayan na. Okay? Yan po yung unang lalabas. Okay. So, nakikita na po. So, this time, naglagay po tayo ng date. For example, dito po tayo maglagay sa ilalim ng last name natin. Okay? So, lagyan po natin ulit ng label. Importante po, may labels po yung bawat parts ng ating forms. So that whoever will accomplish your form will not be confused on what to put on your form. So, for example, date accomplished. Okay? So, boldface natin. And then, do not forget to do the line break so that the tag will appear under the label. And then this time, input tag, input, and then type, equal sign, open quotation, let's type in date, okay, and then close angle bracket, okay. Again, do not forget to type in your line break. Save po natin, and then refresh. You will see now here on your browser that you have your calendar. So for date accomplished, so here you go. You have now your date there. Following the Philippine format for date po. Okay? You can move forward for the May, or you can move backward po for the calendar. Okay? Okay? So we have the select option. We have now the text area. Yung text area naman. So when we say text area, this is actually part of your form where you can basically add more information to your text. Di ba may mga test tayo na pwede tayo mag-type ng essay, okay, or narrative, or yung tinatawag nating long answers. Okay? So, what is the code for that, or what is the tag for that? This is what we do. Okay? So, we have the text area, we have the name, and the rows and columns. Okay? So, how do we do that in our notepad? Okay? So, dito natin nilalagay sa pinakababa. Ayan, bago po mag-text area. Bago po mag-reset and submit button. So, basically, lagyan muna natin ng label. To-do list. Ayan, kunwari yan yung label na gagamitin natin. And tag for the boldface. And do not forget to do the line break so that the text area will appear under the label. And then let's type in text area. Text area. And then we have the name, equal sign. So this will be to-do list. Okay, and then basically we can type in the rows. How many will be the rows for your text area? So we can type in here 10. Then calls for column, equal sign. So for example, we are going to type in 20. And then, okay, close bracket. And then let's type in our end tag for text area. Okay, so this will be your text area. Let's save it now, and then let's refresh. Ayan. Okay, so the text area is still now beside the reset. So all you have to do is to type in the line break. Okay, and then go to file and save it as well, and then refresh. It will now go under your text area. Okay, here you can type in here anything. Okay, ayan, so basically you can fill up the form, and then you click the reset button, it will be cleared. So the bigger the numbers that you put on your rows and your columns, the bigger your text area will be. Ayan. Ito nyo po. Saan pwede po kayong mag-type ng essay or ng narrative. Question? Question, malikhain? Now, for our form today, let's add additional feature on your forms. Let's add frame to your form. So how are we going to do that? Here, let's go back to the top of your notepad. Doon sa loob ng ating form. Ayan. Right after the form rather. Right after the open tag of our form. Let's type in here field set. Okay. And doon sa before the end tag of the form, let's type in the end tag for the field set. This will basically put frame on your forms here on your browser. Okay. Nakita po ba? And then we can also add here label for your field set or to your forms. Okay? So under the field set, doon sa taas, sa open tag ng field set, you can basically type legend. Ayan. Personal information. Tag and tag for legend. Okay? And then save it again. And then refresh. You will see now your personal information there. Good?
Sana po ay nagustuhan ninyo at may natutunan kayo. Pwede nyo pong i-share ang video na to para mas marami pa tayong ma-inspire sa klase natin. At kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video natin ngayon, click nyo na ang like button at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod pa nating klase. Thank you very much for watching and always remember to be kind to one another. God bless.